are my thoughts on day trading as someone who's been day trading for myself, by myself, in my God, I am really not flexible. In my pajamas for the last 15 years. I need to do some yoga. Because I've been day trading and swing trading for 15 years, I do have a lot of thoughts on this. Number one, social media misrepresents day trading massively. Why? Most of the people making day trading content aren't really day traders. They're course sellers. They're course bros. Buy my course, you can be rich. You can be like me. Look at all the money I have. Look at all the fancy watches I have. Look at all my luxury cars. I make 7 figures day trading and you can too. Just buy my course. It's only $1,000. It's cheaper than Harvard. But what they're not telling you is the income that they have from their courses is allowing them to make humongous speculative trades that if it doesn't work out, who cares? Because they always have another sucker on the line that they can sell a course to. And if it does work out, they can make a video saying, I just made $200,000 on a day trade. You can too. Buy my course, but you don't have their income. You don't have the courses. So they're misrepresenting it. It's not true. And a lot of day traders do lose money. So what are my thoughts? Day trading can be great if you live extremely below your means, if you don't need a lot of income. Sometimes I make 6 figures, some years I don't. I live super below my means. I invest all my extra money like crazy, allowing me to pay for my home in cash. I bought a new car, I bought a Kia Sportage, I paid cash. It allows me to do these things. But I also live extremely below my means. I'm not constantly like, oh, I had a good month trading, I'm going to go live lavishly and overspend, because some months you make a lot of money, some months you lose a lot of money, and other months there are just no trades. You break even. So if you're a person who's lives by yourself, or you have a partner, a wife, a girlfriend, a boyfriend, or whatever, and they have their own income and they're not dependent on you to provide for them, try it out. See if you like it. I love it. But nobody depends on me financially. I own my own home. My girlfriend, who's actually my next door neighbor, owns her own home. She has a job. She doesn't depend on me. My mom is healthy. She's financially in a good place. She's not depending on me financially to assist. We don't have kids. We don't want kids. If I had a family, if I had kids who depended on me and needed stable income, that would maybe be a problem. Also, you're on your own for healthcare in this country. And as you may know, it is a joke. It's around $500 per month for insurance, plus an $8,000 deductible. That is extremely expensive. Now, if you're married and you can be on your partner's plan, that's great, but that's not the case for lots of people. I have more thoughts on this on my YouTube channel. Go check it out. See you later.